Morning students, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing good, right? So I'm back again with one more HR question today. I'm not going to explain any kind of answers today. I want you to prepare your own answer. That is the question actually. Right after I have written it on the board, you'll be knowing what kind of question it was. Tell me something of your choice for a minute. What kind of things we need to include here, ma'am? Is there any kind of things that we should avoid in order to tell in the interview? What is the main thing we need to include here? And what are the impressive answers we can able to give to the interviewer? And how you're going to justify your answer when explaining this? Anybody? Yes, just think for a while. What we need to pick and what is the thing that we need to avoid here? And immediately right after they have been asking this kind of question, what is the first and priority thing triggered in your brain in order to give an answer for that particular thing? Whatever it may be, you need to perform it in a manner that nobody else cannot. Got it? How we can able to know, ma'am? So far knowledge you have regarding anything of telling about your choice of anything. That means about your playing games, about your parents, about your lifestyle. It might be anything. The thing is you need to explain it clearly. The thing is you need to include so many other kind of things in your explanation. And you can also include about your family, and you can also include about your daily hobbies, and you can also include about your personal things. It might be anything. The thing is you need to explain clearly. For that 1 minute of your performance will be going to decide your future. So how much you need to perform better and to be best. Yes or no? So you need to give a clear information regarding everything that you have been explaining. So I'll be letting you know what kind of things you need to include in your answer. So I'm not able to tell the answer. I'll be able to give the outline for your answers. What are the things that they're going to accept from you? Because you have gone for the interview here as you are stepping into the IT field. So if you can able to share some of the IT field knowledge, they'll be able to attract by your words. They'll be able to grab some kind of information from yours. So that is the main thing. You need to grab their attention. So that is the first point. While you have started explaining about this thing, you need to explain more innovative things that regarding about a topic, that regarding about any personal experience that you are while you are sharing. They need to understand that you have a clear knowledge regarding about this topic. That is why you have chosen to talk for at least 1 minute. That is also in your choice. It was like an open challenge like that. What are your interests in other fields, in different fields? Yes or no? So you have a clear option, clear open challenge in order to explain about that. So don't forget about that. Try to give a good reason, try to give a good explanation. You can talk about any kind of thing. But the positive impact you will be going to get only while explaining about your things that keep on emerging. Yes or no? I have already told you that the things that keep on evolving in the technology. So it will going to create a good impact as you have a clear knowledge regarding that. As they cannot able to ask that kind of question, that type of question regarding that, about your knowledge, about your recent days search. So it will going to give a good platform in order to portray your answer, in order to portray about your choice in the emerging trends. And along with this, you can also have a doubt that, ma'am, can't be able to share any kind of a personal experiences, any kind of personal stories. Will it not be a possible for them? Will it not be a possible for us to give? No, not at all. Everything will be possible. Everything will be happens only with a good explanation and with a good reason. That is the main thing I will always keep on telling to you. So meanwhile, I'll be writing some of the things that how you need to portray and what kind of things that you need to include in your answer, what kind of things that will going to grab your attention to the interviewers. Got it? Okay, meanwhile, I want everybody to think for some kind of answers. you can able to tell about your personal stories. What kind of personal stories, ma'am? Your achievements, your success, your failures? Yes. You can include all these kind of things, and you can also tell about that. The example, main example you can include here. Describe about a challenge that you have faced during your project work. In order to complete, in order to fulfill the project work, you will be facing some kind of obstacles, you will be facing some kind of consequences, and you need to describe about that, the challenge that you have faced. So it will going to create a positive impact on you. Why, ma'am? How it will going to create a positive impact on me? Will it be possible or not? Because you have tried so hard in order to complete the project within the given time, within the short period of time. You have tried your level hard with the help of your friends or with the help of your mentors, with the help of your staff, with the help of your faculty, any might be. So you'll be explaining about yourself that you worked very hard in order to complete that project clearly. Got it? So it will going to create a positive impact whenever you are going to express in yours. So ma'am, you have mentioned about failures. Will it create the same positive impact whenever we can able to offer our failures to them? Definitely. In order to achieve something, in order to get some good things, so we'll be facing so many obstacles. At the end, we can able to get success or we can able to get failures. The thing is, whatever, if you can able to get success, you will be trying so much harder, much more harder in order to gain some more kind of knowledge. But if you have failed, from your failures also you can able to learn so many other things. Got it? From your failures also you can able to learn so many other things. So here it will also implies that you are not quitting. You are trying much more harder for the same thing. So it will also create a positive impact from your side. Now what kind of things we can explain, we're going to. I'm just giving you the outline what kind of things you need to include in your answer. So try to form your own answer. I'll be definitely helping you. So the first one is the personal stories. In the personal stories you can also include your achievements, your success, your failures. And one of the best example I have given here. Describe about a challenge that you have faced during the project work. Okay, now we'll move it to the next one. Industry insights. So within this, I'll be going to give two more examples here. The first one is the first one will be emerging trends. And in simple words, we can also include that AI, artificial intelligence. So, as it was keep on evolving, as it was keep on emerging, that means coming into the existence. Yes or no? Coming into the existence. So as day by day the technology has been keep on enhancing its productivity. So you will be explaining that in order to, while they have been asked you, tell me something of your choice for a minute, at least talk for a minute of your own choice. If you can include this in your answer, it will going to create a positive impact on you, that you are going to surfing net, that you have not wasted your time throughout the last year. You have been keep on browsing the net, you have keep on surfing the net, regarding the information that keep on evolving as per the technology has keep on enhancing. So it will going to definitely have a impact. In what manner? In a positive way. Nobody else can able to treat you. So in emerging trends you can also include about artificial intelligence. As we keep on, the artificial intelligence has been enhancing. It would be very helpful in the medical department. So you are excited about to contribute, as it can able to include the medicals. So you are excited about to contribute here. So you can able to include this. Coming to the share innovative solutions. So coming to the share your innovative solutions. Innovative is nothing but a new strategy or a new method in order to bring up with a good solution. Creative, in other words, new strategy to give good solution. Okay, to drive with a good solution. So, what kind of innovative things you can able to include? With the help of our companies, we can able to control the carbon footprints. Carbon footprints is nothing but greenhouse gases. That means the most emission of carbon dioxide. So we can able to, with the help of our companies, we can able to control the carbon footprints with the help of recycling the products. That means any recycling the products, the natural systems, the products that they are giving, the chemicals that they are emitting to outside, we can able to give outside with the help of this knowledge. We can able to control the carbon footprints with the help of a company itself, as they are emitting so many kind of other house gases like greenhouse gases, as it was creating so much of pollution. As you already know, as it was creating so much of pollution, in order to control this pollution, we have started giving a good examples that with the help of a company, we can also able to recycle some of the products. With the help of that, we can able to recycle, and for the natural systems that you need to include. In order to bring up with the natural systems, we can able to recycle that. So it will going to create a positive impact on you. That you have been come up with a good solution. That you have come up with a new ideology. Got it my point? So this is the two things. The first one is your personal stories. You can able to include your personal stories, whether it may be success or a failure, any kind of achievements regarding that. And moving to the next one, about the industry insights. Coming to the industry insights. Insights is nothing but having a depth knowledge. Insights is nothing but depth knowledge you have regarding industry or in a particular field. Got it? So industry insights is nothing but having an insight is nothing but depth knowledge regarding industry or particular field. So these are the two things I wanted to share here. So moving to the next one. That means third one. The third one is hidden talent. Got it? Third one is hidden talent. You can also include here creative side, and the second one you can also include here discuss of a passion project. So you can also able to have a good kind of chance here in order to explain about yourself. This is all explaining about yourself. Got it? Creative side. So you have some kind of interest in writing stories, some kind of interest in writing poetry, yes or no? So that is the main thing you need to include here. What are the things? Stories and also poetries and also poems. So while you are able to stay in this particular thing, what is that point? While you are able to stay in this particular thing, it going to bring a creative outlet from my side. Got it? It will going to bring out the creative outlet from me. So that is the reason I have included this thing in my daily hobby. So you'll be explaining about your hidden talent, about your creative side, where you have good ability to write up some stories or cook up some stories, or you can able to bring out some poetries where you can able to portray some of the things that you can able to use some metaphors or anything. And you can also explain about the poems that you have a good interest in all of them. So you have included in your daily hobby only because why? As it was bringing out your creative outlet from your side. So you have mentioned about your hobbies even. Yes or no? So there is no any limit that you need to stop here itself, that you need to wind up here itself. You can include any kind of thing while you're explaining about anything. So here the main thing that I have mentioned, tell something of your choice. Don't ever forget that for a minute. It might take 1 minute or 2 minutes. It's a secondary part. The thing is, of your choice means you can able to include any kind of thing. So discuss of a passion project. That means you have done from non-IT to IT field, or you have some other works. For example, you have a knowledge regarding Java in the previous year. But as the technology was keep on evolving, you just want to jump from the Java to cybersecurity, or it might be .NET, or it might be data science, anything. As per the technology has been enhancing, you wanted to step on to some other thing. So you will be having a dream project in order to complete in a particular field. So this is my dream project as I was passionate about. So you can also tell about your artificial intelligence, where you can able to thought of doing so many other things with the help of artificial intelligence. So this is the outline I just wanted to share. With the help of this, I want you to prepare of your own answer. So what was the question today that we have learned today? Tell me something of your choice for a minute. So what are the things I have included here? The first one is the personal stories. The second one is the industry insights. And the third one is the hidden talent. In the personal stories, you can able to describe any kind of things. Whether your success, or your failures, or your achievements, about your projects, about your personal experience. Yes, coming to the industry insight, where you have a clear knowledge and depth knowledge regarding the industry, you will be including all those in your answers. So that is, I have written here, one is emerging trends, and the second one is share innovative solutions. What kind of solutions that you have regarding? As a fresher also, you will be having some kind of new ideologies in order to prove about yourself. You can also include that in your choice. So it will going to create a positive impact. If it was very useful even then after, they'll be definitely taking you into the company and they'll be letting you to join that particular project work separately. Got it my point? So moving to the next one, hidden talent. About yourself, about your creative side and about your project work. Anything it can be. So this is all about the answer, ma'am. These are the only things that we need to include. What about the other things? You can able to include anything, but the thing is, your answer always need to be creative and your answer always need to be unique. Got it? So, if you don't want me to post some more videos regarding any kind of HR questions, try to comment down in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to Magnetic Software. Thank you all.